Maintenance of land records. Maintenance of land records. The village patwari keeps a record of the land areas kept by people. A patwari deals with measuring land and maintaining the land records belonging to different villages. The village patwari is also responsible for the collection of land revenue from the village. The patwari is assisted by other officers. The patwari are called by different names in different states. For example, in some villages, patwaris are known as Lekhpal, in others, Kanungo or Karamchari or village officer, etc. The patwari is also in charge of arranging the collection of land income from the farmers and giving data to the government about the crops produced in the area. This is done from the records that are kept. Due to this, it is important for the patwari to update the records in a routine. Rural administration. How does it work efficiently? India is divided into states and union territories. These states are in turn divided into districts. In order to run the administration, the district comprises of adjacent villages and towns. The district headquarters are located at a central place. The revenue department manages all work related to land. The subdivision of a district are called by different names such as Tehsil, Taluka. The district collector is the head of the revenue department. Under him are the revenue officers, also known as Tehsildar, Naib Tehsildar, etc. They assist him in his work. Role of Tehsildar in rural administration. It is the duty of the Tehsildar to hear the disputes. Supervision of the work of the patwaris, ensuring that the records are properly kept, land revenue is collected. They make sure that the farmers can easily obtain a copy of their record, providing students with the caste certificates, etc.